Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your passcode on Tonkeeper account. So first we're going to go to our Tonkeeper app. Then next, since we're logged in, we're going to click on settings. Then here we're going to click on security. Then there's that option that says change passcode. So we're going to click on it. So you're going to enter the passcode you want. First, you're going to enter your previous password, and then you're going to enter your new password and re-enter it again. So as you can see, you've changed your passcode. It's an easy step. We could also see how to learn to use our wallet. So click on it and see what it portrays. Make sure to check our other videos as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.